Hello guys, myself Londev Moksubedi. Now you are watching my YouTube channel. Today I discuss about the how to increasing the understand levels. Guy, we are the lives has come of the difference of the problems we are faced to the difference of the vessels. In this times our friend is going through completely in the confusion process. Guys, today I discussed how to overcome from the confusions, how to overcome from the distraction, how to overcome from the illusions in our brains. I discuss about the how to increasing our understanding levels at any particular things, at any of the things. Okay, especially I give you the one examples in your study. Different people are reading on the different levels. Okay, lower levels students have problem lower level of and upper level students has come the upper level of problems. Our brains does not understand the English paragraph. In these times our students are not understanding what is the right, what is the what things is writing on these paragraphs and paragraphs. So first of all, we are understanding to the how to increasing our the understanding level on any subject matter. If you understand in the any of the things what things are writing in the subject matter, first of all you can find out what is the what things you what things you need to want to read. First of all you find out it, and after this many of the students has comes to the many of the problems, like their student are reading the books in the many of the times and revisions the many of the time, but they have not clarity what thing is exactly told this paragraph, these books. They have not find any of the queries. They are spontaneously readings and continuously पढाइ गर्छन्. They are not find out the what is the problem, what things they are learned, they are not find out. First of all, what things we are reading, first of all we are find out the what things we are reading and what things are need to read. Okay, and then next is how to solve, how to find out the understanding about the subject matter. Okay, one is your goods on your vocabs. Okay, your vocabulary must be good. You have to sufficient in your vocabs, memory in your memory. You have to support on your understanding the reading of English paragraphs, any of the paragraphs. Okay, you have not able to understand what is the meaning of this vocabs, you will not find out, you will not able to understanding these paragraphs. And next is distraction. Many of the social media have in theirs. Okay, have okay, this is the main reasons we are not understanding the readings things. To, in this time, so when I moving the social media, this time our friends to release the dopamine hormones and not the books, the readings time. The readings time, our brains does not release the dopamine hormones. uh, Social media is immediately give our comfort, satisfaction, but not reading is not give the immediate satisfaction. And next is our very less focus. In these times many of the people are distracted, they are not give the focus in any of the things. They are not give the focus 100 in their works. For example, we are reading the books. Okay, we are reading the books, spontaneously our subconscious mind is thinking to other things, play, movie, social media, notification. If we are reading the time, the note in mobiles is put in your side, and this time the notification in your mobile has come the notification. In this time you can go and see the mobile what things come in my phone. This is not perfection, this is not concentration, this is not focus. If you if you if you must be the if you must be the readings, if you must be the what you thinks you do in this time, you can find out. And and you are always lives far from your social media and distractions, and you can practicing more. That is the main mantra in your lives. In your lives you can change your habit, and to fix it you're the good habits. Your brains make you whatever you make your brains, your brain is make you want. Whatever you give your brain is the orders, summons. Your brains take these summons and orders, and your brain is moved just like you want. Thank you guys, you are watching my video. If you like this my video, please give a likes, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you, bye bye.